All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol JMIA, Jumia Technologies. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers um, for always supporting me through the channel, piggybacking off of what I state, and engaging in conversations with one another. And that just makes me happy to see you guys speak to each other, help each other out, give each other information in regards to the stock or what they should do, and keeping in the integrity and the honesty very, very transparent. And I appreciate that a lot. To all the first time viewers, I want to say welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. Welcome to my channel. And I hope you guys learn something new and find this all informative and worthwhile. So let's jump into this chart. Obviously, this had a bullish run before. If we go all the way back and look at the chart, some sell-off, leveled off, bulls are trying to recover, and this is just going in a sideways direction. Usually when a stock is this bullish, had some sell-off, and is going in a sideways direction, two things can happen. Either it could recover and use this sideways direction, right, as a type of platform staircase that will soon start to rise up again, right? That's what the bulls want to do. They'll use this to their advantage, this leveling off. And right now in this position, the bulls and the bears are trying to see who's more exhausted and who's going to have more leverage. All I know is that the bulls have to pull hard because the bears already brought them below the 50-day moving average. Now, obviously, this could be used, as I said, as a platform to start to do a build-up. But right now, the bulls have lost some control. Not necessarily all of it, because the 50-day moving average has ended up right there with the resistance. So all the bulls have to do is break through resistance, and they're starting on their way to gain control again. So let's zoom in and see what is important for tomorrow. Obviously, this is already below the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is basically the resistance, 1735. If 1735 is broken through by the bulls and they test it, they use it as support and work their way up to newer highs and pull themselves away from the 50-day moving average, obviously the bulls are gaining control again, and they can continue, this rally of going in this direction. Now, they have to break through resistance. And even though they broke through resistance and used it as support, they have to stay above the 50-day moving average for more than a day before you can tell if the bulls are really gaining control or if they're bound to lose it by just the bears coming in and selling off, fear, or puts expiration dates are coming up. Those are the things that can alter the momentum that the bulls might build. So keep that in mind. So the resistance level is the 50-day moving average, which is 1735. This closed out at 1710. And if the bears were to tear this down in this direction, they're going to want to break through support, and the support is 1630. If 1630 is broken through, right, and I zoomed in so you could see that there is some gap here in distance, but if it gets down there, it's well on its way towards much more bearish territory, and it will hit newer lows, pulled further away from the 50-day moving average and further away from the resistance level. So that's something to keep in mind and pay very close attention to. Now, if the bears break through support, it does not necessarily mean that the bears have won and the bulls have lost, because the bulls can take advantage of the price, right, and bring this one back up. So this is one to really pay close attention to tomorrow see how it plays out. And as always, if you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.